Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Mastercraft NXT22. This boat does have the Pro Tour Red, hull side 1, hull side 3, deck color, and hull bottom is Pro Tour Red with a silver metal flake. It's actually a really beautiful color combination. Looks great. You can see it right here. Did the chrome Mastercraft designator, did the black accent on the tower, clamp force board racks. Walk around, show you the boat real quick. Did the flint cool fill interior with Pro Tour accent. So it looks really good. Absolute beautiful boat. Got it here in stock in Greenville, South Carolina. You know, we service all of the upstate lakes here. Good profile shot. Of course, did the fiberglass swim platform on it. Did the gray sea deck back. Climb aboard here. See the interior again. Did a Pro Tour Red cool fill and the Pro Tour Red, or the flint cool fill. Decadence flooring in gray. Boat. It's got the upgraded audio in it. It's got the clips, 10-inch sub, 8 speakers, clips head unit there. Absolute beautiful boat. It is available here. Got some 2023s, got some 2024s. Got a lot of nice boats in stock right now. Well, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.